Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of antibacterial hand soaps, and we're focusing on the Soft Soap Antibacterial liquid hand soap with a crisp, clean scent. If you're looking for a soap that not only keeps your hands clean but also moisturizes and protects your skin, this could be the one for you. Let's take a closer look at why this is considered the best soft soap antibacterial soap on the market. First off, this hand soap is clinically proven to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria. That's right, it's designed to provide you with a powerful layer of protection against harmful germs, including bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. And what's even better, this formula is also made with moisturizers that leave your skin feeling soft and smooth after each wash. Whether you're washing after a meal or just keeping up with your daily routine, it ensures your hands remain soft and protected, thanks to its dermatologist-tested, pH-balanced composition. The scent of this soap is what really stands out. With its fresh, crisp, clean fragrance, it's not overpowering but gives you that refreshing feeling every time you use it. It's light and invigorating, a perfect balance that keeps your hands smelling fresh without any harsh chemicals or artificial fragrances. You won't have to worry about unpleasant odors lingering around after you've washed your hands. Another great aspect of this product is its eco-friendly design. The bottle is recyclable, and the cleaning ingredients are biodegradable, making this a responsible choice for anyone looking to be more environmentally conscious. Soft Soap has truly made an effort to ensure that you don't just get a great soap, but you're also contributing to sustainability. Not to mention, this antibacterial liquid hand soap is paraben-free and formulated without phthalate, making it a great choice for anyone who's concerned about the ingredients in their skincare products. It's made to be gentle on your skin while still providing all the antibacterial protection you need. Overall, if you're searching for a hand soap that cleans effectively, moisturizes, and smells fantastic, Soft Soap Antibacterial Liquid Hand Soap with crisp clean scent is definitely worth considering. It's competitively priced, highly effective, and eco-friendly, making it a solid choice for every household. Make sure to add it to your shopping list next time you're in need of a high-quality hand soap that does more than just clean. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products out there.